Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to install extensions in Visual Studio Code and as well as we can write first Python program in Visual Studio Code. Before going to code in Visual Studio Code, we must and should be install the extensions here. First we can go extension here, then we are going to type Python here. Just wait few seconds, it will showing. I will go for Python Text Explorer for Visual Studio Code. In my Visual Studio Code, I already installed. If you needed, guys, please go and install in your Visual Studio Code before going to code in Visual Studio Code. Okay, are you getting? I think okay. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's write our first Python program here. So we are going to write print open and close parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we are going to add quotations here. Quotations, it may either you can use single quotes or double quotes. Inside the double quotes we are going to write hello Karnataka. Okay, so what we call, so this is what we are going to call as strings. What is mean by strings? Strings means textual data or sequence of characters. In another simpler means it's just textual data. In coming videos I would like to teach you strings in details. Okay, this is the first video, so that's why I will introduction this one. Okay, so in Python and in many other programming languages, whenever we are going to deal with textual data, we should always use the double quotes or single quotes. Okay, in Python we have the future double quotes or single quotes. In another languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, we must and should be use the double quotes here. Okay, okay. Let me show you how to run this code. Just right click, we can found here run python, then run python file in terminal. Just I will click here, see what happened. Oh, all right, here is our first output here. So this is how we are going to learn first Python program in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think you people are getting my words. I will stop here only. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.